I'm sure you're thrilled to listen to so many achievements and hard work put in by our states to win the fight against coronavirus. It is not just the virus we are fighting. Agriculture sector is one of the most severely disrupted during the lockdown. But during last few years, technology has empowered farmers with access to information and market, streamlined supply chain, provided tools for food safety and security, and more. In the post-pandemic world, the transformation will only become faster. Here is a look at what has been done so far. We are joined by Kunsala Kannu Babu, Minister of Agriculture Department of Andhra Pradesh, to discuss this further. Take it ahead, sir.
It is very appropriate for me to represent our state in this National Virtual Governance Summit. Andhra Pradesh has gained a reputation for its abundance of agricultural productivity because of our irrigation sources and fertile lands. However, things are changing faster than ever before, and the traditional ways of farming are undergoing radical changes now. Our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy has envisaged the forthcoming agricultural revolution long before our party came into power with a sweeping majority of 151 seats out of 175 seats in 2019 general elections. The first thing our CM did after taking charge of the government was he straight away started working on plans and programs that can improve the agriculture sector. I'm fortunate enough to be entrusted with the responsibility of agriculture and implementing the programs planned and designed by our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. One of the most revolutionary programs being implemented by our government is Raitu Bharosa scheme and Raitu Bharosa Kendralu, which means in Telugu Farmers Assurance Centers. True to their name, we are developing these centers as not only agriculture inputs distribution centers, but also knowledge hubs to help farmers in every step of their journey, from choosing a crop to supplying fertilizers, seeds, pesticides, and to taking decision on how to store the output and where and when to sell it for a better price. In fact, the government is even paying 13,500 rupees per family towards purchase of seeds and inputs to all farmers, and as well as first time in the country tenant farmers also supporting by this scheme. Every tenant farmer family is getting 13,500 rupees from our government. This way our Raitu Bharosa Kendras are living up to their name, giving farmers fullest assurance throughout their farming cycle. The great thing about this program is our chief minister has designed a farmers network model integrating the latest technology into it. We have set up 10,560 kiosks in all the villages across the state, covering even remotest uh, hamlets for the farmers to do all their transactions related to their occupations. The Raitu Bharosa Kendras working in a hub and spoke model with the help of digital kiosks, which are all networked. The Grama Sachivalayam volunteers we are always will be always available to help farmers operate the kiosk. In every Raitu Bharosa Kendra, government appointed two government officials, employees. One is from Agriculture Department and second one is from Animal Husbandry Department. One is agriculture assistant, a village agriculture assistant, or horticulture assistant, or sericulture assistant. He will sit at RBK, and this animal husbandry assistant also accompany their the RBK. Through this platform, farmers will get quality farm inputs and without any time lags. Gone are the days when farmers would stand up in long serpentine queues to purchase inputs from seeds to fertilizers to pesticides and even mechanical space. Not only that, the kiosk will serve as an interface between farmers, scientists, extension officers, and service providers with the information on all the latest advancements in the field of agriculture through the internet and specially arranged television sets. The kiosk will work as a knowledge center with a strong commitment towards the upliftment and advancement of agricultural sector. Our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y. Jagannath Reddy has integrated the advanced technology with agriculture, and this will surely go a long way in improving the financial situation of farmers. And ultimately, the state has the provider of food to the nation. Additional to this, every RBK we are organizing one field school that is called Polam Badi. The school is the real platform which the farmers will train at that school. And this way, the Andhra Pradesh government has ensured in a new era in the agricultural sector with a intervention using the advancement technology for the benefit of our crores of farming community in the state. With these few words, I thank everyone attending this National Virtual Governance Summit. And thank you, one and all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.